This is quiz 2.04, reasoning part 3, example 5. Which statements are examples of the law of detachment? Law of detachment is if A, then B. A true, B true. Okay. So if Bob plays ball, A, he'll miss his meeting. Bob played ball, A, Bob missed his meeting. Detachment. All cats love chicken. A, Fluffy is a cat. B, Fluffy loves chicken. A, B. Detachment. All dogs love to chase balls. A, B. Buttons loves to chase balls. See, that brings it back to B and not A, and Buttons is a dog, so that can't be detachment. If it is raining, A, Gail will get wet. B, if Gail gets wet. B, her hairdo will come undone. C, this is sequelicism, not detachment.